Minisita wa Gavumenti z'ebyanga Raphael Magezi nagira ngo mwijura no guresu rwo kweyongera kw'abarwirahirwa reri.
The real test is the increase from 60 patients a day to 170. That's triple. I think that's the OPD or something. So it means the facility is becoming better. No. Don't get a mistake. Think that Bushenyi but it is becoming more attractive.
Omnyishengero kazahabwa Bushenyi Katsima Aneto Mugisha asimire kitongore cha Isaida habukombeka maternity ward eji ekinte kiresera abakazi okufana bazara kwa chendero muri Bushenyi.
But you are also mitigating the maternal maternal mortality rate and the infant mortality rate, because now you are bringing services nearer to the people. And for me, who advocate for women, when you do something good to women, you have really done it to me and to other women. So we want to thank you so much for touching humanity. Extend our gratitude to the Americans.
Orukure mirimo ya USAID Southwest Health Program Dr. Edward Berakwate nagira ngo kigenderwa cyo kombeka maternity ward kikareto kushanga ngo abakazi bakababuziraho kuzara.
Why this place has received more than the other sites is just because of its positioning under patient load. It started with the laboratory. The Ministry of Health had initially wanted Bushenyi Health Centre IV to be commissioned as a laboratory hub, a center where all the special tests are done, samples coming from the lower facilities to the lab hub and results go back.
Vision is the only health center for in Bushenyi Shaka municipality. And with support from the Municipal Health Office, Bushenyi Health Centre IV serves as the health sub-district for this municipality, under which we have facilities like Nyamiko Health Centre IV, Kashenyi Health Centre II, and Ruharo Health Centre II.
That is the grant who was our accounting officers. That's where we gain more. The traditional government grant under health. But the municipality can't make it from your taker.
2, 3.
Maternity ward mazireho sente zuru kurenga miliyoni 2.8 kandi tirwemo n'ebyoma by'omurembe okuyambaho kuzarisa kurungi. Omuganda ga Bushenyi gavumenti erikorabira mu ministry y'ekikora ky'abantu etiireho entanduka y'obuhumbi 10 omunshaho y'abantu abakuzire ngo bazikozese kurwanisa obworo hamwe n'obukene omu maka gaabo. Ebigambirwe mu mempa wa parliament w'abantu abakuzire ahabwa burenge bw'izooba Yora Mutabasimwa omuri Bushenyi hakushaba hari orubingo kyacu of Uganda.
Bueno ntwenda ntu wana utyo kihembe na bagenzi banje ba memba ba parliament ngwe myaka ije kakyenderaho nangwe kanshanju rero nabo bantu bakatunga baho kwa imyaka 9 n'abake kana ukiro gwingi bakine mani.
Abakristayo bari bingo Church of Uganda basimira umwahure wabo Reverend Milton